Hi, I'm Agne, and this is Kilo Outsider's March Health News. Can you imagine a robot serving as your mental wellness coach at work? The World Health Organization's mental health recommendations for the workplace are limited by a lack of resources and personnel. However, robotic wellness coaches have the potential to overcome these barriers. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Cambridge provides valuable insights into the design and use of robotic coaches in the real world. The study involved 26 employees and showed that the shape of the robot significantly influenced employees' perceptions of the robotic coach. This groundbreaking study contributes to the vision of bringing robotic coaches into the real world. Have you ever wondered how much our blood can reveal about us? Researchers at the Indiana University School of Medicine have successfully developed a blood test for anxiety. The test looks for biomarkers that can help researchers determine a person's risk for developing anxiety. It can also reveal the severity of a person's current anxiety and which therapies are most likely to be effective for them. The test is being developed for a wider use. Researchers believe that this test could eventually help prevent anxiety disorders. Their goal is to provide a comprehensive report for patients and physicians using just one tube of blood. Did you know that migraines affect more than 10% of people worldwide and are 3 times more common in women than in men? This March, the FDA approved a new nasal spray as a quick treatment for migraine pain in adults. This spray can relieve the pain and other symptoms of migraines in as little as 15 minutes after use. This nasal spray is a good alternative to oral medications and is safe for people with heart problems or other conditions that prevent them from using other migraine medications. It is expected to be available in pharmacies in July 2023. Have you heard the amazing news for people with diabetes? This March, Abbott received FDA clearance for its Libre 2 and Libre 3 continuous glucose monitors to be integrated with automated insulin delivery systems. Automated insulin delivery systems include an insulin pump that communicates with a continuous glucose monitor, which can adjust the amount of insulin a user receives based on real-time glucose data. In addition, Abbott plans to offer smart pen solutions for insulin dosing support, as well as virtual health and coaching by combining glucose data with a virtual coaching platform. With this new clearance, Abbott plans to offer the updated Freestyle Libre 2 and Libre 3 sensors in the US later this year to replace the current systems. Remember the trend of diabetes drugs Ozempic and Wegovy that also work as a weight loss solution? We talked about it a few months ago when Elon Musk and Kim Kardashian were in the spotlight for using these drugs for their weight management. This has become more than a trend and is starting to spread to the corporate world. In March of this year, Weight Watchers acquired Sequence, a telemedicine provider that can prescribe drugs like Wegovy and Ozempic for a monthly fee. Similarly, Noom, an app that helps users track their eating and exercise habits, has quietly launched a service to prescribe weight loss drugs to some customers. The weight loss industry is evolving, and new solutions like prescription drugs are becoming more common. However, exercise and diet remain essential to a healthy lifestyle. It's up to each person to come to their own conclusions and prioritize sustainable habits over quick fixes. always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your routine. Did you know that social media has contributed to a mental health crisis among young people? 1 in 3 teen girls considered suicide in 2021, and depression rates continue to rise. To help, TikTok is setting a 60-minute daily limit for users under the age of 18. Research has shown that limiting screen time can help young people feel better. These changes are designed to help teens limit their screen time and be more intentional about how much of their day they spend on TikTok. Let's move to our speed round of health and wellness facts. Time for a quick Health Digest. Total investments in the health and wellness industry reached over $817 million in March. Compared to February, total investments were up by about 130%. Option Care Health, a provider of comprehensive, cost-effective pharmaceutical and home care solutions, raised $399 million and had the biggest funding round of the month. The top 3 health and fitness apps by total downloads in the App Store were Impulse Brain Training, Flaw, and Keep. In Google Play, 2 different blood pressure apps, and Home Workout by Leap Fitness. These were the most exciting health and wellness news of March. You can find all the links to the products and top health and wellness apps in our newsletter. Stay healthy and see you next month.